So right here you can see that this truck is, the front tire is sitting on a slab of concrete and it's cracked right where the tire sits. You can see underneath it, I'm hoping here too, you can see the crack will travel all the way down, and the crack continues about 3 or 4 slabs. Still, you can still see it continuing this far. So now I've removed the truck and I can show you a little bit better of what is going on. So if you'll take a look over here, this downspout is on the side of the garage. Comes off the garage, comes down, and what happens is this downspout used to drain right here and the water would run into this crack. This caulk wasn't there. Now we've moved it away and it runs a little farther out this way. But what happened was, without that caulk, the water was draining down that crack and it was undermining this slab of concrete. So basically the dirt was being undermined and removed right in this area. And once the vehicle drove over it and parked there, it over time cracked the concrete. And that's what happened all the way down with all these other slabs as well. So what happened was we had a company come out and they'll put backer rod. I'll show you a picture of the backer rod. And so they install that backer rod so that that caulk doesn't run down 5-10 feet into the ground. It gives it something to rest on. And then they'll put a professional bead of caulk through here. They actually grind the sides of the joint and before they lay this, so it adheres better. So it really is it's a great product. It's not cheap. It could be $5 to $7 a square foot to do it, but it's well worth it. And if this would have been done first, that concrete wouldn't have cracked and we wouldn't have had these issues. But something to be aware of. Just watch your downspouts and where they are, where the water's draining. So I hope this helped. I hope you learned a little bit more about how important downspouts are in water drainage. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments. And again, Grant Warrington with Warrington Group. Have a fantastic day. Enjoy the sun. Thanks.